Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear student. Welcome to the Quran learning. Surah 104, Surah Al-Humazah for kids. Ayah 1 only right now. Today our goal is to learn this surah vowel after vowel. Especially, it has something known as idgham. But idgham, before you understand it, you have to know how to read shadda. And shadda doubles the letter as we have learned before. So, I want you guys to follow my pointer. I already color-coded. There's only 2 lams that you see here. But when you're reading, you have to make them 3. Here is another tip. This lam has a shadda, so it doubles. It becomes 2. Here's another lam, has a shadda, and it becomes a 2. So, look at my pointer. This one is the way we see it in the Holy Quran, and this is how we pronounce them. So, today I want you to take your time and learn with me. Waylul, lul. Connect the lam to the lam. Lul, li. Okay. Waylul, waylul. Say it again. Waylul, waylul. Kulli. Kaf and the lam will be connected. Kulli. And then you will release another lam. Waylul, waylul kulli, likulli, kulli, humaza, tillumaza. Look at this tab. This is the harder part. These two kasra will turn into 1 kasra. And the lam with the shadda turns into 2. Tilli kulli. Okay. Waylul likulli humazatil lumaza. Humazatil lumaza. Humazatil lumaza. Feel it. Waylul likulli humazatil lumaza.